everyone, good morning. I'm Vivi from Good Day Advanced Material Company. Our company produces indoor decoration WPC and PVC wall panel products. And today I'm very happy to have this chance to introduce our booth in this CBD Fair, what is called the China Building Decoration Fair. And in this fair, I want to show you some new product and some new color in this booth. Now you can see on my backside is our booth. This one, you can see this one. This one we use our 180 Ultra Art Decorate panel. So you can see the color is really beautiful. This is the metal color, you can see. The camera come closer to have a look. Yeah. This is the pattern. This shade is really beautiful. I think that is very new type panel. Some of the customers haven't seen it before, this one. If you don't like this color, you can choose other color. This one is our new color. It's a metal color, so it looks fashion and modern. So we can see here. Let's to see what kinds of product here. We use this product. This is the section for the product. The panel width 180 millimeter and the thickness is 21 millimeter. You see the standard lab is 3 meter, but also can be customized. So you can see. Yeah. So do you like this color? If you like this color, please comment down and let me know. So this is the top part, but also in the under part, let's come to see in the under part, we use other kinds of panel. This one we use the 600 mm width panel. You can see 600 mm width panel. The surface is flat, total different compared to this one. And the canal shield, you can see we use the U-shield canal. If you want to know what's the U-shield canal mean, and you can send me a message. We can send you the this U-shield section drawing to you. Okay, this one is the 600 mm width panel. So combine two together, we will have different display effects. This kinds of roll you can use for in the reception area, in the office, in the living room, and some other indoor decorations also very popular. And this one is you can see it's the flat surface. But here we show you this one. You can see the shape is have the curve. The shape has the curve. It have the curve. So you may want to know how to deal with it like that. How to deal with it like that, right? It's very beautiful. So if you have the pinner in the commercial area, you want to use these kinds of panel to decorate, so also can do it. Then the normal panel we used to use is this one, and the back side is flat. But if you want to make the circle like that, you need to cut the back side, make the panel like this one. Cut the back side, and then the panel can be like that. Then can bend them. This is the deal with way about how to deal with the circular shape. Okay. You can see here. Also come here, the camera here. We also here combine with the 600 mm width panel together. This is a little different. The color we use the beige color here. Also use the U-shield canal. And one special things I need to notice on the both two sides, we have the plus the LED light strip inside. LED light strip. So that means during the installation, if you want to have the perfect effect, you can combine with the LED light to match together. So you can see 180 Ultra Art Decorate panel and 600 mm width panel and 180 Ultra Art Decorator panel. In the under part, we also use the 600 width decorated panel. Okay. And now you can see here, we just give you the concept. This one also use different 4 color, 4 model. We also use our panel to do it. Here, just give you the concept about our panel, how to use it. You only not to use for the wall to face on the wall. You also can just use for the modeling. It's also no problem. So this is the first area I showed to you is for is reception area in our booth. Okay. Okay, let's come inside to see what kinds of other kinds of panel and what color we will show inside our booth. Here you can see here this one. And this one you can see here we use our other kinds of panel. This one is use our solid panel, and this is our some now you can see the people and it's our customer, it's our agent in the domestic market. This one they do really good in their rooms. This one in this field. So for now, let me introduce this. What kinds of panel we use for this one? This one we use the solid panel. The panel with we have 2 sizes of solid panel. For example, the 800 millimeter width and also 1.2 meter width solid panel. Here we use the 800 millimeter solid panel. The solid panel we have 3 standard. You can see 3 standard. You can see the color. 3 standard, 2 standard, the panel thickly is 9 millimeter, and 1 standard millimeter is 5 millimeter. So, but the color we have 2 color baseball. This one is dark blue baseball. This is a very good one, and also the price will be higher. And this one is economic one. This one is the yellow color. We specialize for the commercial, which if you order the large quantity, you can purchase this one. This one the density is really high. This one. So you can see here. Here we have show you the U-glue, but if you don't want to see the U-glue, we also can have other option to you to select this one. And this one, the color we use the one of our new color. This one, it's the wood gray color. This one is also the surface look like have the metal style. Okay, let's move on to see here on my right side. You can see this is our living room concept here. In this room, we use 3 color, the wood gray color and the pure what we call something like very close like to the red color, very special red color, and also the modern cement color. Here, this wall, we come here to see. This is a big size wall. We use the 800 millimeters width panel to do it. You can see here. Later, I will show you how to do this one. Do this one. Here, just give you the option. If you want to see have the glue, you can do like that. Okay. And for this wall, here we can notice that we plus 2 LED light stream, and then can make this wall look brighter and more modern. And also, according accept this one, we also for the notice the skirting. We have used a very smaller one, ruminant skirting in the black color, because we want our designer want to give you the concept is about the simple and modern design. That's why we prefer to choose the shorter wave skirting. This one. You can choose if you don't like the matte color, you also can choose the bronze color, and rose gold color is also okay. And for this wall, not only you need to notice about have the LED light stream, but you also notice that the door color is same as the wall, right? The door color is same as the wall. This is one of our new product we display in this fair. You can see the wall color same as the wall. Open to come inside, have a look. Okay. If you want to know more information about this store and want to know how to make it and want to buy it, just contact us and send an inquiry. I will send to you more details later. And this is the second wall I introduced. And then let's go to see the first wall. The first wall, you can see this one is very beautiful. Look, I think it can give you the artist feeling. This one. This one, the panel use a little different compared to this one. It's different. This panel, you can see the panel width is different. This one, the panel width use 600 mm width panel, and the connect shoe, both two panel connect shoe we use the V shoe connect. V shoe connect. Here, just to give you the option, if you don't like to use the V shoe, but also you can choose our seamless shoe, a straight shoe, or the U shoe or not shoe is also okay. Not only for the color, we have more than 100 color for you to choose. Not only this color, you also can choose the white color, the wood color, the wallpaper gray color, also no problem. So let me show you the detail about this panel. This is the panel we use. You can see it's different. Just now we offer to you is our this one. This one is what you can see is without the hole, right? The, the first wall, the without the hole, but this wall we have the hole. So it's a heat insulation and sound insulation, and also the panel will be more lighter compared to this one. Yeah, and you can see the V shoe here. This is a V groove. What we call is the V shoe connect. Okay. You can call it WPC wall panel or PVC wall panel or wood composite panel is also okay. It's up to you. Okay. The main material is plastic mixed with the capsule powder and some other material. Okay. Yeah. This one. This one also use our panel to do it. This circular shape is also use our round shape. Is also use our panel to do it. This panel you can see same with this kinds of panel. Just you can cut the shape during the you make the decoration. You can cut the panel shape and fix on the walls. Okay, so that means it can make different shape, different pattern according to you. This one. Here I also can give you the idea, especially for your artistry and designer, give you the idea how to use it. This one. Okay, next here to see this here. Also, this wall. This one is use our 1.2 meters with solid panel. The panel width is 1.2 meter, more wider compared you see in that wall. This one. The texture we use the cement gray color fill here. So here in this showroom, you can see we give you the 800 millimeters solid panel and 600 with windshield panel, and also have the you need to combine with the LED light stream and the luminous skirting, and make the panel straight in the circular panel shape here. Then can make your the whole room design will be perfect and modern. So who can give you the idea? If you have other ideas, please let me know. Okay, let's move on to see in the other room. Next, the other room, what kinds of panel we display in other rooms. Here you can see the orange color. The orange color is the new panel time here. The orange color panel we use the 178 inner art decoration panel. All this wall is use our panel to do it. Here for this wall we use two kinds of panel. The first one, dark green color. Here use our solid. You can use the 600 mm panel, and the solid panel is okay. Can make this wall like that. And this wall you can do it, for example. For example, here for this wall, you can notice for this wall, you have several option panel for you to choose. For this one, you also can use this. The panel have the hole, the 600 mm panel. Also can use this one. The solid panels can do it, no problem. So it's up to you which one you want to choose. Because the panel surface is flat, it's okay. Panel surface is flat, it's okay. So this one you can see we have the circular, also make the circular shape. And if you use this kind of panel, you need to cut the back side, the panel back side, cut the glue and bend it. Here you need to cut the glue, then make it easy to bend it, to make the shape, this one. If you don't want to reduce the labor, the manpower labor, you can use the other one. Also can use this one. You can choose the 9 millimeter solid panel. Also for the 5 millimeter solid panel, also can do like that. This one color is very special. So yeah, come closer. Have a look. The color is dark green color, but also on the surface we have the brackish metal line on it, so you can feel the stripes. This is our new color we promote in this fair. And let's come to see this wall, this orange color wall. This wall we use our other kinds of panel. We use 178 inner art decoration panel. So let's see what this is the panel we use here. 178 inner art decoration panel here. Same, just the color different. If you don't like this color, also can change this color. Also we also have more than 100 color for you to choose. Let me show to you how to connect these two panels together. These two panels connect. It's very easy to installation. This one. If you think this distance is too shorter, you want to have more wider, we have other time. We have the 175 inter-arc decorative panel, just the size with different. So if you want to know more information about this panel, just contact us and send me inquiry or screenshot this picture to me. I will send to you. Okay. And this design idea you can use in the sofa background or TV sofa background or TV background, also very beautiful to application. Orange color mix with the dark green color together. Okay, let's move on to see another one. Here we want to go to this room. This is our living room. Living room concept, living room design concept. This is a modern luxury design here. You can see in this room we use one, two, three color, the wood gray color, and also we use the light gray color, light gray color. This one, and for this sofa area, you can see this one.
这种东西都是你们的啊？
是的，是的。And this wall you can see the panel width also is 900 millimeter width, but also you can select to use the 1.2 meter or to use the our 600 mm width panel. It's up to you. Here just give you the option. Here this is the panel. You can select this one baseball or this one color baseball is also okay, no problem. Just the surface color fill you can hot laminate it on the board surface. Hot laminate. Okay, this. In this wall, we have the U shield, U groove, U line, and also in the waistline we have partial luminous curtain, a very smaller one luminous curtain. This one in the black color. Also, you can choose to use the bronze color or rose gold color according to match with the board color together. And also for the skirting here, we also use a very smaller one, skirting this one, smaller skirt. Then make the whole design can be more simple and modern. And here we can see on the sofa bed side wall, we use the notice have the wood gray color, and here also the panel surface is flat, and here we use the what we call is 170 fluted panel. Two kinds of panel can together here. Then the 160 fluted panel is this one. Or the smaller 140 panel. If you want to here only 9 mm, if you want to more thicker, then you can choose other side. Also can choose this one. This one is more thicker compared to this one. Yeah. So we have many options for you to choose this one. That means just give you the idea. You can change it according to your design. Also for this room, also we use our same. Right? Here for this wall, we also same. I talked to you just now. Also use our solid panel. You can choose use the 600 mm width panel or 900 mm width panel, 1.2 meter width panel. Also no problem. It's all up to you. Here is the light gray color. This is a very comfortable one. Okay, this one. In this wall, we also give you the idea. the door. You can notice the door color same as the wall. If you have this such requirement, you want to buy the wall, buy our our panel, also want to make the door color same as our wall, then please let me know and we can send this store how to do it, how to make it for this store. Okay, just now I showed you, it gives you the introduction about this living room. Let's move on to see another design, another one. Here, let's move on to see this one is our, what we call it, study room or entertain room or tea room. In China, what we call is the tea room. Tea room. In this room, the main color we use the wood gray color and partially mixed with the light gray color. Wood color and light gray color together. The panel surface you can see is a flat surface. The panel also you can choose to use our 600 mm width panel and 900 mm width panel and 1.2 meter panel is also okay. The panel say, just use this one, say. We have many options to you to select. And you can notice here, we have the skirting here, the skirting. In the beginning, most of the air we use a luminant skirting is very smaller one, but this one we also give you the option. You can choose to use our PVC skirting, then the color can same as the wall. Because I know that some of the customers they don't like the modern design. Maybe they would like to use prefer the newer design. Then and for the skirting, you can choose this kind of skirting. We also produce this one. Then the color can be same. Okay. And then for that wall, here on let's notice to move on to see our this wall. This wall here we use the 600 mm width panel, but use the U-shoe connect here. U-shoe connect here. This color is really not like the wood. The texture is really perfect. This one. You also for your if you want to make the pattern, you also can cut the one shade, cut the one shade to do it. For this wall, you want to know more information, we can just send us the comments and message. We can send you our catalog. And on the under part, we use our 176 fluted panel. This kind of panel here. And then say this is our 170 millimeter fluted panel. So this wall we use two kinds of wall combined together. The panel surface is flat. Also have the panel surface have the fluted. The slab panel here slab panel. Okay. For this wall, we have the internal corner and external corner. It's very easy to deal with. For example, you can see here is the internal corner. Internal corner just put two panels to connect together. Okay? This is the much more easy way to deal with. This is the internal corner. And then you can see is the external corner. External corner, we have many options to you. If you want to know more what option and idea, and send us the comment and message. This one here for this one is on the back side we cut the groove and make the banding like that. This one. Now in this room, which I have introduced for two kinds of wall, but also I want to introduce our other new kinds product. This one we call is the square tube, 100 millimeter width and 50 millimeter thickness square tube. This one is very popular to use the decorate column, especially you can use in the partition, such like that. If you want to know how to install this partition column, and we have the installation video. Here is the wood color, wood gray color. You can also choose the pure color. For example, the white color, black color, also no problem. So I hope just now have the introduction about our booth. So in this booth, we display several color and several types of a panel. I hope all of you can like it. Here, just give you the idea about this one. Our booth total area is about 160 square meter. This one. Okay. Yes. Oh, sorry. Here we also have another room, another big size want to show to you. This one. The high luxury big size solid panel. This one is 1.2 meters width and the left 2.6 meter or 2.8 meter. Normally for this color is 2.6 meter. So you can see the surface is high glossy. This one is PET fill. PET fill. And for this wall, we use three kinds of color. In the middle one, you can see is the marble one. You can compare with the sinter stone. Compare the sinter stone, this one, our solid panel is much more lightweight compared the sinter stone. Also, it's much more easy to installation and transportation. We have six picture for each choose this one, 6 color for each choose if you select this one. And on the top part, you can see it's the other new type panel. This one is used our 152 Art decorate panel. This color here we use the white color, but if you don't like you don't like the white color, but also you can choose other color. Here is the green color. This is the panel we use. On the top part, just the color is different. So these two panels connect together. It's not like this, not like this one. Okay. This is the panel backside. It's really good quality, this one. Our panel has the CE certificate, also passed the American ASTME 845 testing, this one. So you can rest assured about the panel quality. In the beige color, this will use three kinds of panel. The beige color panel we use the 600 mm panel, and combined with the white color is 180 52 Ultra Art decorate panel. In the middle one, the marble color is our solid panel. So if you want to know more information about this work, just screenshot this picture to me and send the inquiry. I will introduce you and give you the material, what kinds of material we use in this side of wall. Okay, you see, this is our a display board to display our panel. Here we give you the idea. The first one you can see is our panel matched with aluminum. to give you the idea how to connect with. The first one you can see with the light blue aluminum in the bronze color, and also this one is the skirting and very big size aluminum decorating line, and also the skirting, the LED light stream, how to make it. And this one we have the section drawing. And except the aluminum can match with our aluminum decorating panel, but also our panel can combine with different side decorating line, mounting line, different side decorating line. And in the middle display board is two kinds of panel connect together. The panel surface flat match with the decorate panel, the fluted panel, the inter-arc decorate panel, and outer-arc decorate panel. And this is the panel connect way, 4 connect way. This one is the straight shoe connect here, and the V shoe, and U shoe connect. Also the knob shoe connect. And this is one for the solid panel connect way. 2 options. Option when you want to see the line, aluminum line on the surface, then you can choose this one. If you don't want to see any aluminum on the surface, then you can choose this one. And most of our wall, we use a stainless clip to fix the panel on the wall. We have the installation video. If you want to see, we can send to you. Just send us the inquiry. And this one is our decorate mounting, different size decorate mounting line, and skirting and top line and square tip. And this one different size aluminum decorate line in different color. So as for now, it's just all the information and all the panel and all the color I showed to you in our booth. Except this kind of panel we display in our booth, because our booth is not the area is not big enough. We have more than 10 kinds of panel. Not only you just see in our booth just now. If you want to know more information and want to see more color and more panel time, just send us the message and inquiry. We can send you the catalog. We can show you more information about this one. So this is all information, all introduction about our booth in this fair. And I hope, according to my introduction about this fair, you have a get a roughly idea about what kinds of product we produce and what kinds of color we display in this book. So if you want to know more information, just send me the message, and I hope have this chance to talk to you face by face and one by one. Okay, that's all for our presentation. Thank you all. Thank you the time you join us today. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.